Welcome to lesson 6 of how to build a one-page contest application website using Joomla. So we've already embedded our form, and now we're going to try the form out and test it out and make sure it's working fine. So here I'm going to go ahead and try it out. We're using the American system of dates, so when you click on here, it gives you the month first and then the day second. So I'm just gonna pick the 24th. Okay, and if you wish to change this date system, you simply go back to the form and edit the form. And once any change you make there, you don't need to put the embed code anymore. Whatever change you make in form builder applies to your website. Okay, all you need to do is refresh the page. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do here is just put a name. I'll just say Samuel Doe 1, 2, 3, age 23, city, we'll just say Columbus. Actually, let's use a different city. We'll say Berlin. State Berlin. Postcode 2089. And the phone number, I'm just going to put numbers here, but they can put whatever number is in there because it takes figures. Okay. Email address. Okay. Scroll down. So they need to put their Facebook. I'll just put Learn Joomla Fast. Twitter. @learn. And they must check this checkbox and then hit submit. And all you have to do is wait, and there you go. It says thank you, your response has been processed. So if I want to check the response, I go to form builder. I'll go to form builder. Let me log out so you can see it. Back to report. That was a test I did earlier. Okay, when you log into your form builder, it should bring you to this page here, and it shows me I have 2 responses. I did one earlier, and this is the one I just did of Samuel Doe. If I click on it, it should pop up and show me a more detailed form. And as you can see, it tells me everything I need to know about the individual or the applicant. Okay, and that's all there is to it. So now what we're going to do next is we're going to go to the contact page, and we're going to see how we are going to change a few things here in the contact. For instance, if you want to change name or email, or this you got questions, we got answer, slogan, you can do that. So what you do is you go to the back end of your Joomla admin, go to components, click on creative contact form. It should bring you here, and then you click on forms, and this is the form we'd like to edit. So if we click on send us a message, and it shows you some of the things you can click here. Now this is a free version, so some of the pro version, like here, you can't make changes here. It says a pro version, but some of the things you can change, like here, pre-text, we can change it. I'll change it to, hey, what's up? Good luck. Okay, and it says message sent successfully. That's after they send the message. So I'll say, instead of that, I'll say thank you for sending a message. Okay, Scroll down, and yep, that's pretty much all I would like to change. But you can go through it. You don't need to change anything in email settings or redirect. You don't really need to change anything there unless you know what you're doing. But this is something really basic. You need just to be able to receive emails from applicants if they wish to send you an email. So you can now save and close. And then if you want to go to the front page and refresh the contact page so you can see some of the changes you've made. And here it says, hey, what's up? Good luck. We didn't change the name or email. We just left everything as it is. So now what if you want to add some more? How did you hear about us? Maybe you want to add email, so I'm going to show you that next. While you're still here, you click on Manage Fields. And here you can see if you want to change something in the name column. Maybe I'll say, let's say first and last name. Okay, now click save on that. Actually, I'll click save and close because I want to go to the next field. So I've changed that. Wrong spelling there, but that's okay. So if I go here and refresh the page, hopefully it's changed the name. Yeah, there it is. First and last name. Okay, and same thing with the email country. In the country section, if we click there, it gives us quite a few options here where you can add countries or delete countries. So just feel free to play around with it. If you have countries that are not listed on there, maybe you might be able to add it by simply clicking on this icon here. It says new option. Okay, I'm going to close out of here. And also, how did you hear about us? So here is where you can also put another option. So I'm just going to give one real quick. I'll just put email. And I'll click add. Okay, so it means they have an option to select email also. So I'll save and close. Go to the front end, refresh it, and it should show up, and there it showed up. So the last thing we're going to do now is show you when people send you email via the contact page where it goes to. So if you want to receive this message, you must go to your system, global configuration, and make sure that under your server, I'm going to move this to the left. When you come to your global configuration, click on the server tab right here. Scroll down. Make sure your email is listed here. This is where all emails to your site come. So you need to put your email there so you receive whatever email they send you through the form. And guys, that has been the end of how to build a one-page contest application website using Joomla. I hope you've enjoyed it. This has been Christian Ross. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. And if you have ideas on other videos, please feel free to let us know and comment on this video and let us know what you think about the entire course. Thank you and have a blessed day.